Hi everyone, so I'm going to do number 2 first. We're supposed to find the equation of the line that is parallel to this guy and then through this point here. So we already have an equation that's in y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form. So I can look at that coefficient on the x value, and then I'll know right away that my slope is going to be -2. If I know a slope and a point, I can use point-slope form in order to write that equation. So point-slope form looks like this. And I can fill in the slope and then the points right there. So this will be y equals -2, x minus a -3 plus 5. And then you can simplify x minus -3 to x plus 3. So our final answer is right here. The next question we're going to do is number 3, and this is a little bit harder because we're in standard form right now. We're not in point-slope form or slope-intercept form, so I don't know the slope right away. So I'm going to take my equation and I'm going to solve for y so that I can figure out what that slope is. Okay, so that means I want to subtract 3x from both sides, which will give me -2y equals 12 minus 3x. So again, my goal is to get y by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by -2. That leaves me with just y on this side, and then 12 divided by -2 is -6, and then -3 divided by -2, that's not a whole number, so I'm going to leave it as a fraction, but I am going to make it positive because it's a negative divided by a negative, so that turns into a positive 3 over 2x. Now that I'm in this form, okay, it's a little bit of a backwards y equals mx plus b, I can look at the coefficient on the x, and that will give me my slope. So the slope of the line that I want to write, is 3 over 2, and the point is 4, -2. So again, I'm going to use point-slope form to write that. So y equals 3/2, x minus 4, and then -2. So this right here is my final answer.